Hello everyone, welcome back to TechTube. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can log in WhatsApp in your mobile phone. So to get started, open WhatsApp on your phone, click on agree and continue. Now here, add your mobile number and click on next. It will show connecting option because it is connecting. So add your name. I have added my name and click on next. It is telling you to wait a moment, so once it's done you will be successfully able to log in your WhatsApp through mobile phone or through your mobile. So this is how easily you can log in WhatsApp on your mobile phone. If you found the video to be helpful, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.